there is no doubt that Jesus Christ do exist and has shown himself to those whom he wants to believe. And I'm proud to say Mama is one of those people in this life. At this moment, Lord, we thank you so much for our life. And we pray that she will continue to live for you. As she has turned 70 today, in 10 years' time, we will celebrate 80. In 20 years from now, we will celebrate 90. And by the grace of God, we will celebrate 100. I thank God for the children that she has given to Mama. They are blessed. And I pray that our children will be able to give us this something like this in their life. Those of you that have turned 17 and above, I salute you. Those of you that are below 50, you see this is what life is all about. If you are given children, take good care of them, because they will take care of you when you grow older. Mama, congratulations today, because the children are taking good care of you. And may they live for you. And you're going to see the great grandchildren of these people. Therefore, please, let's toast and thank God for her life. Congratulations, Mama. I'm going to pour this here, so you share. Everybody share, please. Congratulations. At this time, please, we're going to sing for her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! And hooray!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Happy birthday, Mommy. And ladies and gentlemen, without wasting too much of your time, please help me welcome the international, the academic, all the way from Georgia by way of Atlanta. Ladies and gentlemen, he did music in America, just like Fela and Ebola Kuputi. Did I hear you? I don't hear your name. They call him sea never dry, and he know they dry. They also call him man past man. Ladies and gentlemen, please put on your shoes, take off your slippers. Mr. Mark Ojo, all the way from Atlanta, is ready to take us to the next phase. Ladies and gentlemen, Mark, what happened now? I'm ready. He is ready, oh. Ladies and gentlemen, let us go. Mark Ojo.